Addressing the people of Zimbabwe, President Emerson Mnangagwa said that the peace of the nation of Zimbabwe was not for sale, is not for sale, and will never be for sale. We have a lot of questions to ask, but let us get into the video.
We must keep the spirit of harmony which we found out is very and because of that, this is why today that spirit vibrates among nations beyond Zimbabwe, because it is a spirit of God, a spirit of peace, a spirit of unity and not division. Our peace in this country is not for sale. Our unity in this country is not for sale. Our unity for democracy can never be sold. We must reject violence of any kind. We must always pray for peace. We must always walk peacefully. And we must always exude peace.
So in as much as the preaching of peace is very, very important in the nation of Zimbabwe, it is very good for his party, which is ZANU-PF, to stop violence in the nation of Zimbabwe, because ZANU-PF is the threat to a peaceful Zimbabwe in this nation. And if you look at the people who are beating up opposition, it is ZANU-PF. Who are intimidating the opposition, it is ZANU-PF. Go to Taurai Kandishai. They have a militia which they lead together with Tinashe Jonasi, and they have promised the violence in 2023 elections. The president of Zimbabwe has never condemned that peace. Go to Mboneni Ncube. Mboneni Ncube was murdered in cold blood. The president of Zimbabwe never condemned such an act. More Blessing Ali died and was murdered in cold blood. The president of Zimbabwe never issued a statement regarding More Blessing Ali. We have a lot of violence which is happening against the opposition in the nation of Zimbabwe. We have not seen a single statement from the president of the Republic of Zimbabwe condemning such violence. That actually is selling the peace of a nation, because these are the people who are actually perpetrating violence. But the opposition, the opposition is being beaten, is being threatened, is being silenced in the name and in disguise of ZANU-PF, and nobody is speaking about it, nobody is talking about it. So my belief is that if the president is sincere and serious about talking about peace in the nation of Zimbabwe, he must first address his party supporters who are actually baying for the blood of Advocate Nelson Chamisa, who are calling for the murder of Advocate Nelson Chamisa. We have never seen his political party actually standing against violence. And when there is violence, there is no peace. And when there is murder, there is no peace. So I hope and believe that the ZANU-PF people will hear that message, that there is no need for us to sell the peace of Zimbabwe. ZANU-PF has already sold the peace of the people of Zimbabwe. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your contributions. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe, and share.